Hi everyone, welcome back to English for Beginners. I'm Charles the Cat, and today we're going to learn how to ask and answer simple questions in English. Let's get started. In our first lesson, we learned how to greet people and introduce ourselves. Now let's learn how to ask and answer some basic questions. This will help you have simple conversations with others. Here are some common questions you might ask when you meet someone. What's your name? Where are you from? How old are you? What do you do? Do you like something? T. Let's practice saying these questions together. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? How old are you? What do you do? Do you like something? Here are some simple answers you can use. My name is your name. I'm from your country city. I'm your age, years old. I'm a your job student. Yes, I like something, or no, I don't like something. See how that works? Now it's your turn. Practice these questions and answers with a friend or in front of a mirror. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. And that's all for today's lesson. Thank you for joining me. Remember to practice asking and answering these simple questions. In our next lesson, we'll learn about numbers and how to talk about time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more British English lessons. See you next time.